friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Rose, and in this video I'm gonna explain my new Patreon and YouTube membership. You may have seen it already. I've posted about it on YouTube and on Instagram. I finally started a Patreon page and a YouTube membership with both kind of the same perks. I wanted to explain them a little bit further. If you're not interested in joining, don't worry about watching this video. The next one will be for you again. So why I wanted to start this Patreon or like this online community kind of is because I get a lot of questions which I don't always have time to answer. So in this community that I've created, currently it's a Discord. It might also become a Facebook group, but I personally don't really enjoy Facebook groups. There is so much hate going on. For now, it's on Discord. It's also a little bit more organized on there. If you're new to that, don't worry, I was too. I had no idea what I was doing. So feel free to ask a message in the group and people will help you understand better. Plus, with the advice of Daryl from Houseplant Journal, I decided to do a monthly Zoom call with everyone who is a €5 member or up so that we can all see each other's faces, get to know each other, ask questions, and just generally hang out together. I thought that would be really fun because I do see either your Instagram handles or on YouTube in the live chat. I now recognize the names of the people that are often there in the comment section as well. But I would love to see your faces and just connect with you on a different level. And then I added some extra benefits like merch and personal advice for your YouTube channel or your Instagram, but I'll explain about that in a little bit. Both of them have pretty much the same perks. The only difference is that on Patreon, it will be a little bit more easy to send you polls and ask you questions for future videos and stuff like that. I will also do that in the Discord, so everyone has access to that. And on the YouTube membership, you will get access to special things on the live chat. So you'll be able to get like nice little badges with really cute plant images. And I think there is a special setup where I can also go live for just the members, but I haven't figured that out yet. So for now, I will just do the live chats on the Zoom call because then I get to see you, like I said before. So let's go through them a little bit. I have my laptop here with my Patreon page. I added a lot of planty pictures to make it look quite cute. And then you can see here, Plant with Rose is creating joy and zen through a green life and home. Woohoo! Because as you probably know, I don't just talk about plants, but also sustainability and yoga and being happy with who you are. That's really important to me. So this is not just a plant channel. And you're welcome to also ask me questions in the Zoom about these other topics as well. I gave them all names. I don't really know what that means yet, but I just came up with weird names. So the first one is Plant Lover, and you get a little image of Caspar, the Florida ghost. And it is €2.50 per month plus taxes, which gives you access to the private community, Patreon only updates, like I said. Sometimes I tell my patrons beforehand that a video is coming up or ask them questions about what they want in a certain video and stuff like that. It's really fun. It's really helpful for me as well. Obviously, you'll get voting power on those things that I just explained. You can do requests for certain videos and I will shout you out in a video. I've already done that for my current patrons, and every time I get new ones at the end of the video, I will add your name with your Instagram handle or your full name, whatever you prefer, and say thank you. That's pretty much the same for the YouTube one, only I could only pick €1.99 for that one. I don't know why that was. So it is a little bit cheaper, which is kind of weird. But okay, you don't get the perks that the Patreon page gives you, so that kind of hopefully makes sense again. Then the second one I called Chatty Planter with a beautiful Vicky leaf, a verrucosum leaf, which is $5 per month. Oh, actually, Patreon is in dollars and YouTube is in euros. So I think they are actually pretty similar because of the conversion rate. So in that $5 one, you actually get access to that Zoom call I was talking about, where we can chat and I can answer your questions and all that stuff. And it also includes all the ones from the previous tier, which I will not repeat every time because you will get super bored. On the YouTube, that same thing is €4.99 and basically gives you the same perks. The next one is the merch rocker with a beautiful image of a pink princess. It's not actually my pink princess that these drawings are from. I bought them on Etsy. They are so cool. That is $15 per month. And I will send you my really cool Plant with Roos face masks, which I had made. This is mine, so it's a little bit dirty because I've been using it. This is one of the masks, which says yoga and plant with Roos, with the cute image that Sylvie made for me. I really actually like these because with my glasses on, they don't fog up as much as the masks that I made myself. The paper masks, they fog up my glasses all the time. So if you're a fellow glasses wearer, this might be a good way to go about it. I will also send you my stickers, which I had made from both of my illustration logos, the one made by Lieve and the one made by Sylvie. And they're about this big. I ordered bigger ones, not the tiny ones. I can also send you the tiny ones if you like, but the big ones are the main feature. Plus, of course, the Zoom, the Discord, and everything else that I talked about already. On YouTube, that looks like pretty much the same thing, €14.99, and you get the merch. And I can send the merch anywhere in the world because it fits in an envelope, like a card basically. The last option, which I'm super excited about, is the Plantfluencer Pro with a beautiful leaf of a Gloriosum, which I don't own yet. So that is kind of like a wish list tier for me. It is $25 per month and we'll have a monthly Zoom call or chat, whatever you prefer, to connect with me for 30 minutes to talk about your Instagram, how you can improve that, or your YouTube channel. I get so many questions of how do you grow your account or follow me or help me grow my account, which I don't really answer because for me, it's been just posting what I love, making it easy for myself. But then also, you probably don't know this, but I spent so much money and time on doing courses on both YouTube videos and making your Instagram content interesting and making your stories interesting, because I was trying to make that my business with the yoga before. So for the past 5-6 years, I've been focusing on that a lot. And I didn't realize it because I've just been enjoying posting about plants so much, but definitely that was in the back of my mind as I was creating this Planty account, which grew so fast, and as I'm making my plant videos. So I do have quite a lot of knowledge collected now about growing your account and creating content that people want to see. So if you're interested in that, then this might be the tier for you. And then of course, all the other things. You will also receive the merch if you go in for that tier, and you will join the Zoom call and the chats and all the things that I talked about before. On YouTube, it looks pretty much the same, $24.99, and you will get your 30 minutes every month to privately chat with me. So it's a one-on-one conversation where we can talk about your socials. I will have looked at them before and collected some information to share with you which could help you. I'm actually really excited about that one, so I hope that some people sign up for it because I really love seeing your plants and I love seeing good photos of plants, and yeah, I'm just excited to help you with that. So that's basically it. You can find the Patreon on patreon.com/plantwithroos, and that will all speak for itself signing up there. If you're interested more in the YouTube version, you can find that underneath the channel and click that become a member or something. I've been having so much fun already getting to know the people in the Discord a little bit better. I'm planning the first Zoom call. So if you join now, you can still join the very first Zoom call that we will ever have as Plant with Roos community people. I've said it before and I will keep saying it. There is no pressure to join either of these. I'm still so happy to just connect with you on Instagram, on YouTube, on the live chats. You don't have to do anything. I'm happy to just have you here and watch my content. But I wanted to explain a little bit more so that you know what's going on. I would love to hear what you think about this. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you want to join? You can be honest with me. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much to my Patreons that have already joined. I really, really appreciate you guys. And we will see each other on the Discord very soon. We will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.